The 2026 Toyota Fortuner continues to carry forward its legendary status as one of the most powerful, reliable, and premium SUVs in India, and the latest version takes things to an entirely new level with a bold design, upgraded technology, improved comfort, and strong performance capabilities. In the Indian automotive market, the Fortuner is not just a car, it is a symbol of power, status, and road presence. Whether it is city driving, highway cruising, or off-road adventures, the Fortuner has built a reputation for handling everything with confidence, and the 2026 model strengthens that reputation even further. The first thing that instantly grabs attention is the aggressive and muscular exterior design of the new Fortuner. Toyota has made the SUV look more modern while maintaining its tough and rugged identity. The front profile features a larger and more dominant grille with chrome elements, giving the SUV a bold face on the road. Sleek LED headlamps with sharp daytime running lights add a futuristic touch, while the sculpted bonnet enhances the SUV's strong stance. The side profile continues to showcase its commanding presence with large alloy wheels, flared wheel arches, and strong character lines that highlight its off-road DNA. At the rear, redesigned LED tail lamps and a wider bumper give the SUV a more premium and modern look. Overall, the design of the 2026 Fortuner reflects strength, luxury, and modern styling in one package. Maxotech Joyrake, step inside the cabin, and the Fortuner offers a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. The interior has been significantly upgraded to match the expectations of modern SUV buyers in India. The dashboard features a more horizontal and clean layout with a large touchscreen infotainment system placed at the center for easy access. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and leather upholstery give the cabin a high-end feel. The SUV offers a spacious 7-seater layout, making it ideal for families and long-distance travel. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, providing excellent support even on long journeys. Indiaka India. Technology has also been improved in the 2026 Fortuner, making it more advanced than ever before. The SUV is expected to come with a large digital instrument cluster, a modern infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, wireless charging, and connected car technology. Features like voice commands, navigation, and premium audio systems enhance the overall driving experience. Higher variants may also include advanced features like a panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, and multi-zone climate control, making the Fortuner feel closer to a luxury SUV than ever before. When it comes to performance, the Fortuner continues to dominate with its powerful engine options. The SUV is expected to be powered by a 2.8 Yojak Chinhel ITER diesel engine and a 2.7 Yojak Chinhel ITER petrol engine, both known for their strong performance and reliability. The diesel engine, in particular, delivers high torque, making it perfect for highway driving and off-road conditions. The engine is paired with manual and automatic transmission options, along with a capable 4x4 drivetrain that allows the Fortuner to tackle rough terrains with ease. Ambika Foundation Joyrake. Toyota may also introduce a mild hybrid technology in the 2026 Fortuner, which will improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions while maintaining strong performance. This move reflects the changing trends in the automotive industry, where manufacturers are focusing on more efficient and environmentally friendly vehicles without compromising on power. Indiaka India. One of the biggest strengths of the Fortuner is its off-road capability, and the 2026 model continues to excel in this area. Built on a strong ladder-framed chassis, the SUV is designed to handle tough terrains, steep inclines, and challenging road conditions. The high ground clearance, advanced suspension system, and intelligent 4x4 system make it one of the most capable off-road SUVs in India. Whether you are driving through muddy roads, rocky paths, or sandy deserts, the Fortuner delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Safety is another area where the new Fortuner has seen major improvements. The SUV is expected to come with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill assist, and a 360-degree camera. In addition to these features, the 2026 Fortuner may also include advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety but also provide a more confident driving experience, especially on highways and long journeys. In terms of comfort and ride quality, the Fortuner offers a smooth and stable driving experience. The suspension system is designed to absorb bumps and uneven roads, ensuring that passengers remain comfortable even on rough surfaces. The SUV's high seating position provides excellent visibility, which is especially useful in city traffic and highway driving. The steering is responsive, and the overall driving dynamics make the Fortuner easy to handle despite its large size. Another major reason behind the Fortuner's popularity in India is its strong brand value and reliability. Toyota is known for producing durable and long-lasting vehicles, and the Fortuner is a perfect example of that. The SUV has a strong resale value, which makes it a smart investment for buyers. Maintenance costs are relatively reasonable considering the segment, and Toyota's wide service network across India ensures that owners can easily access service and support whenever needed. The pricing of the 2026 Fortuner is expected to reflect its premium positioning in the market. The SUV is likely to start from around 38 lakh rupees and go up to 50 lakh rupees for the top-end variants, depending on features and engine options. While it may seem expensive, the Fortuner justifies its price with its performance, durability, brand value, and overall ownership experience. India Ka India. The Fortuner also holds a unique position in the Indian market where it is often seen as a status symbol. Many buyers choose the Fortuner not just for its features but also for the strong road presence and premium image it offers. It is commonly preferred by business owners, professionals, and SUV enthusiasts who want a powerful and reliable vehicle that stands out on the road. Another important aspect of the Fortuner is its versatility. It can be used as a family car, a daily commuter, or an adventure vehicle. The spacious cabin, powerful engine, and advanced features make it suitable for a wide range of uses. Whether you are driving in the city, going on a long road trip, or exploring off-road destinations, the Fortuner adapts to every situation effortlessly. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner continues to set the benchmark in the premium SUV segment in India. With its bold design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, powerful engines, and unmatched reliability, it remains one of the most desirable SUVs in the country. The addition of modern features and possible hybrid technology ensures that the Fortuner stays relevant in the evolving automotive market. For anyone looking for a powerful, stylish, and dependable SUV that delivers both performance and comfort, the new Fortuner remains one of the best choices available in India.